Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Telegram to a new iPhone with desktop sync. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To connect Telegram to a new iPhone with desktop sync, start by ensuring you have Telegram installed on both your iPhone and your desktop. On your iPhone, open the App Store and search for Telegram if you haven't installed it yet. Download and install the app. Once installed, open Telegram on your iPhone. You will be prompted to start the setup process. Choose your country code from the drop-down list and enter your phone number. Tap on the next button to receive a verification code. Check your SMS messages for the code sent by Telegram. Enter the verification code into the app. Once verified, Telegram will prompt you to set up your profile. Add your name and a profile picture if desired. After that, you will see the main Telegram interface. Now, on your desktop, open your preferred web browser. Go to the Telegram official website or download the Telegram desktop app. Sign in with the same phone number you used on your iPhone. You will receive a login request on your iPhone. Open Telegram on your iPhone to approve the login request. Once approved, your Telegram account will sync automatically with your desktop. Now you can access your messages and contacts on both your iPhone and desktop. To ensure everything is synced, send a message from your desktop. Check your iPhone to see if the message appears. This confirms that desktop syncing is working correctly. You are now ready to use Telegram seamlessly between your devices. Enjoy your messaging experience. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.